Eliminate warts and spots on your skin in 5 days, thanks to this secret from South Korea. The skin is one of the organs most exposed to the dangers of the external environment. That is why it is one of the most suffering due to pollution, climate change and exposure to the sun. Among the damages caused by UV rays we can mention wrinkles, warts, spots and pimples. If we add to the genetic problems that we already have, we will have a disaster. In today's market is full of products that promise to solve such problems. However, we all know that the vast majority do not give the expected results. Other than that, they are extremely expensive and difficult to get. That's why we want to show you a natural way to end these kinds of problems and many more. The ingredients we need to prepare these remedies are very easy to get and very effective. Besides, they are quite cheap, so you will not need to incur large expenses to prepare them. But despite that, the results we will get will be impressive. For warts, apple cider vinegar, just as if it were a mole, we anoint a cotton with vinegar. Then we will put it on the wart and let it act all night or for 24 hours. This process will be repeated until the wart disappears. Higera, take one of the green fruits of the fig tree known as figs and make a cut. Now, wait for the milk to come out of the fig and apply it gently directly onto the wart. Leave it on for several hours and remove with plenty of water. For dark spots, lemon, take some lemon juice and spread a cotton ball with it. Then rub it on the stain 2 times a day and do not expose yourself to the sun. It is best if you do it at night, to prevent the sun from damaging your skin. Onion, the first step is to grate an onion in its entirety. Now, we will apply it on the stain and let it act for 15 minutes. Finally, we will remove it with plenty of warm water. This process we must repeat every day until the stain disappears.